I welcome you all to my new channel. So this channel is basically related to photography, and I got a few suggestions from some of my friends that I should make a channel and tell you all that how you can improve your photography skills while being at home. So in this channel I will be showing you a few of my photographs that I have clicked at my home, and that too under a very good low budget. So if you really want to click and edit such kind of photographs, please see the video till the end, and I'm sure that you will definitely be able to learn how to click these type of photographs under a good budget. Now, as you have seen a few of my photos that I have clicked at my home, and in this video I will be giving a tutorial of how to click that little water drop that is coming out of the tap. And before I proceed, I would like to show the setup that I have placed in order to click that kind of photo. Here is my camera bag in which I have all my very important equipments to click the photographs that I have shown you in the video till now. So in this video I will just be taking out two of the very most important equipments, and I'll just open my bag and show you what all things that I will be taking out, and also I will share the links from where you can also buy these equipments. And without any further delay, let me just show you what all things I need. So first thing that I need is this is a flashlight, and through this I will be directly flashing this light on the water drop that will come out of the tap. And the other thing that I will be using is this lens. This is a 50mm Canon lens, and for this I will also be putting the links from where you can get these things. So this is the tab that I'll be using to take this photograph, and before I do that I'll remove these things that are kept and that are not required for this. Do not forget to keep your focus on manual focus mode, and with that you can directly focus on the portion on the drop as soon as it comes out of the tap. One more thing, that when you start to click this photo, there is a possibility that you may not get the perfect shot in one time. So there is a possibility that we might have to take multiple shots. So don't be impatient, have a lot of patience in order to click such kind of photos. And so now the camera is ready. Now I will be setting up the flash in a correct position. So the position that I have placed my camera is right in front of the tap. There is one more equipment that I will be using for this shoot, and this is a trigger, and this trigger I will be putting on the top of my camera, and the trigger will be connected with this external flash. So as soon as I click a photo and the trigger is mounted on the top of the camera, the flash will come out of this portion of the light, and it will directly fall on the drop that comes out of the tap. So I'll just change the angle and show you how to do it. Here is me putting this trigger on the top of the camera. So now the trigger has been connected, and as you can see I have also placed the flashlight that is just near to the tap. So now I will just put my phone at an angle that you will be able to see how I am clicking this photo. Along with that, now I have also powered on the flashlight, and it is at power number 1. So first I'll give it a try on this power, and with this plus and minus button I can reduce or increase the power of this flash. So I will just keep it at position 1, and then we'll see how the results come out. And along with that I'll just show you the camera settings that I will be doing. So this will be a manual shot, and it is almost not possible to get this kind of shot on automatic settings. So I'll just show you what kind of manual settings I will be trying on it. So now as you can see my setup, so I will just now start my tap with a few drops, and on my camera I will be doing some settings. And as of now the settings that I have done is I have kept my shutter at 160, my f-stop value at 5, and have kept my ISO at 200. So let us see how the results come out. Yeah, so now some drops are coming out of it. So I'll just go to my viewfinder and give a shot to it now. So we have to give continuous shots. So guys, these are the two photographs that I really liked from today's shoot that I did at my home. So if you also like them, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you also want to learn how I edited them in a way that they look so beautiful, so please drop a comment in the section below and I will definitely get back with a new video. Thank you and have a good day.